Awesome. Babies.
Wow.
I think we should have a drink.
But you're right. This definitely calls for a celebration. I'll have wine if you have that.
Okay. I mean, why even play with it, you know? Let's take the film and screen written. Two, this right here, you even got me kicking myself in the ass. Why didn't I think of this? You know?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Well, I'm glad I got your attention. You know, my husband seems to think that genre writing is just for creative minds, so.
I don't know what your husband is, but everybody knows sex is.
Yeah.
Especially since Joy and Louise is spelled the same.
Yeah, my husband, he's the head prosecutor. That's good.
So he's the guy we see on TV every time it's a big party.
So this guy, you got
I did one of these, another one of these.
You hit me kind of hard today, ain't you, boy? Last time I see you drinking like this, pouring hit a straight flush over your forehead.
Yeah, that toy ain't always been a rebel, right? I mean, who calls 500 on a gunshot draw? Hey, man. You, Kid, Simpson, and Anderson going to courtroom today. Got another conviction on your record? Like you always do? And I'm sure you're going to go with your recommendation and sentencing. Like you know. All kind of fun out. And then what's crazy is, I think they do it twice, like, they don't know about the third strike rule. And then they want to cry about how the system is doing wrong. I know exactly. So you do? They're going to do that. We're going to hire somebody like you. Trying to play them into good people. But let me tell you something. I know that we are opposites. But after stuff that you say, man, soon as I agree, they say you don't have money to find your code for what you do. One day, you're going to beat your ass in jail. What I'm saying? Like, you know what I mean?
Huh? No, actually, the owner opened a new store in Minnesota, and she went over there to get his home. So.
She definitely knows her stuff. I'm going to say that in place in no time.
Yes, she does. Well, hopefully I can get some assistance.
No, alright? Hey man, I think you should call it a night. You should. Yeah, I don't know, I got it, man. Go ahead and make sure that you make it home safe. Hey, little lady, I just want to let you know that your Superman is on his way home from the Daily Planet. What is the session? Honorable Secretary Dahl, presiding, please remove all hats and signs of chemistry. Attorney Charles Walker for the defendant, Bowman Williams, who is present here today.
The worst time for the state, man.